Hey, what is up, guys? I am back with another video. I finally got a mic. Sorry I've taken so long to upload a new video. Today we're going to be playing some Geometry Dash. We're going to be playing some online levels that I have downloaded, and I'm going to be trying beating up today. So let's get started. Let's pick our character. Let's go with this one. With the red and white base. Yeah. So, no, don't. Stop. Go away. Alright. Let's pick our ship. Oh, I like that one. Our spinny guy. That one looks pretty cool. Which one should I do? That one. Oh, I think that one looks good. Okay, what about our, orb? Ooh, that one looks good. Iron Man. Shark. Techno Droid. Monkey. Have to go with the gorilla. Let's go with the rainbow glow with a green explosion. Right, so we're going to be doing some saved levels that I've downloaded. Let's do this one. I'm pretty bad, just so you guys know. Let's get this started. Oh, hold up, I messed up. Okay. Oh god. I'm terrible. There we go. Really? Hold on, I can do this, guys. Alright, you know what? Let's do a different one. That was a little hard. What about Vooper? Let's try this one. I don't know how well you guys can hear this. Sorry if I'm ear raping you. Okay. Hold up, I know how to do this one. Alright, I messed that one up. I got this, guys, don't worry. You know what? No, I don't got this. Let's do believe. I got this one in the bag, guys. Nah, I'm joking. I'll probably fail. Whoa. Okay, yeah, I know how to do this one, don't worry. I just haven't played Geometry Dash in a while. Again, sorry if I'm ear raping you. Why do I keep doing that? Alright, hold up. Let's try one more time. That's my new best. Alright, well, let's try something else. Let's go to the next page. No, next page. What about this one? Is night. Alright. It's not too hard. I haven't played these one. I've played these like once. So. Alright, I'm Iron Man now. Oh, I missed that. No, 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 no. Moving your eyes. Okay, this is interesting. We haven't gotten this far. Well, okay. It's not too bad. Oh, well, that was easy. That was really short. Okay. I think we can get the coins. Let's try. One, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, I missed it. Damn it. Okay. This one's oh, I missed it. Okay, no. We gotta restart. Alright, we're gonna get all the coins in this. I've played a lot of online levels. Alright, up top, below, up top. Got it. Alright, this one. Got it. There we go. Alright, this one's below. Oh, I missed it. Alright. Well, we can't get those other two. That's quite saddening. Oh, I got one of them. Alright. I know how to get one. Alright, let's try one more time. And if we don't get it, we don't get it. Up top, below, up top. Okay. Alright, this one's not, so there we go. Boom. Now we just gotta complete the level. There we go. Oh yeah. And we'll do one more level. Let's try gear. Forgot about this one. This one's a bass battle. Round one, guys. Oh gosh. No, I'm small. Alright, round two. Oh gosh, not expecting that. Oh, now we're back to a rocket. Okay. Oh, now we have to go ahead of him. No. No. Oh, now we have to do this. No, okay, now we're a rocket again. Eh, eh. You win this time. It's interesting, but this is not finished. Ooh. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I will see y'all later. Thanks. Like, comment, subscribe.